Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Tiger Brokers or Tiger Trade. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing we need to do, these Tiger Brokers are mostly on the mobile devices. So if you have Android, go to Google Play Store, or if you have iOS, go to Apple App Store, like so. Now click on it and then type in Tiger Brokers, like so. And this one here with this yellow logo, click on this one and install. So this is how you download your uh, Tiger Brokers app. Now, if you want to have it on desktop, you can go to Tiger Brokers Download Center to get specialized version for Windows or Mac OS. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can download. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.